this segment with you. Maybe we just do a little briefing with the audience together.
Oh, yeah, sure.
A small experience of the qi.
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. So usually when we practice qigong, we can stand up, lie down, or whatever. But most of the time, we just put our hand on the leg. So relax the head, relax the neck, relax the shoulders. So relax the chest, relax the abdomen, relax the whole body, and relax. Breathe in, breathe out, relax. So we like to quiet the mind, slow down breath a little bit. And at the beginning, it will feel challenging to focus on your body. Our mind is always go other places. So qigong helps concentration. So when we concentrate on my body now, the body can get sick, right? We understand it will, but even do another time may help, right? So breathe in, breathe out, and then when you breathe out, you can think about letting go. Head, breathe in, breathe out. Neck, breathe in, breathe out. Shoulders, breathe in, breathe out. Chest, breathe in, breathe out. Abdomen, relax, breathe in, breathe out. Whole back, relax, breathe in, breathe out. Arms, relax. Hands, relax. My whole body, my legs, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. So when people are having a sleeping issue, they can also do something like that in the bed. Just keep on breathing, one step to the next step, and repeat until you go to sleep. Now, we can also feel energy in the hand. It's nothing secretive. We've been teaching 27 years about feeling energy between the hands. So we can just open the hand a little bit, closing hand a little bit, and mind on your hand. You can think about universal qi to go to the hand. Relax. So we may feel some vibration between hands, some warmth, some tingling, which is interesting. Or maybe it's not interesting. Well, so what? There's some warmth and tingling, and then so what, right? But the thing is, we may not realize how important this is, really. Because when people are not well, that's when we look for help most of the time. So it's a life force weak. Circulation has to go to where the problems is, right? Energy go to the pancreas, energy go to the liver, energy go to even for better skin, right? So still energy has to go there, blood circulation has to go there, healing has to go there. But then if we are ordinary people, we just have ordinary energy. But if I train myself to have lots of powerful energy, then I will have a different life, because I'm different. I'm not the same as you. I'm different. I'm better in energy-wise, and I have more energy. So some people might say, oh, I have lots of energy. I'm not short of energy. We understand it's not that you need energy. But if you want to attract good things happen in your life, to a better career, more money, better relationship, your energy matters. Now, so this is the energy. So I want good energy to attract good energy in my life. I can have poor energy around me to attract poor energy into my life. Now, so this is the energy. So I can just put it on my body. We say storing energy. I store them in. So energy all go into my body now. So, yeah, so energy is very beautiful. So if my energy is nice, then I attract people with a nice energy back to me. So if I have a lot of ill thoughts here, then my ill thoughts is giving a vibration, then it will or may attract people also have more ill thoughts too, because we match. So the law of attraction is matching the vibrations. Who I am attract the same. So that's what it comes into other things Jane was talking. So just think, just now, so the chi is there, energy is there. I can store the energy, I can improve. And then maybe we can also try to do the experiment we were showing you just now. Can the hand be longer, right? That's also very funny. So one of the things we could be doing is have the bottom of the hand align with the bottom of the other hand, and then you will have the fingers the same length, right? So we cannot go and mark your hand now. So you need to check it. So it's the same.
Okay. My left hand is slightly bigger than my right hand. Like my left thumb is longer than my right thumb. My left pinky finger is a bit longer than my right pinky finger.
Oh, so okay. So what we do is that you can put the hand that is shorter up. Say we will put the left hand. Say I put the left hand up. I'm equal. Then you can put your right hand up, which is shorter, right? Is that what it is?
Yeah, this one's shorter.
So now we can meditate. We did some qigong already. So we meditate. We want to say I have the you can focus on the center finger on your pinky. You can focus on one finger. It's not all the finger. Just focus on one finger. And the thing about that finger has lots of energy. And then you like to see it getting longer.